Which games offer the best replayability for casual players? Imagine a game that keeps drawing you back, offering fresh experiences each time you play without demanding hours of commitment. For casual players, replayability is often about variety, accessibility, and the ability to enjoy the game in short bursts. Many titles excel in these areas by providing dynamic gameplay, multiple paths, or endless customization options. One genre that consistently offers high replay value is sandbox or open-world games. These games allow players to explore vast environments at their own pace, making each session unique. For example, games that feature procedural generation create new worlds or scenarios every time you start playing, ensuring that no two experiences are exactly alike. This randomness encourages experimentation and discovery, which appeals to casual players seeking variety without a steep learning curve. Puzzle games also tend to have high replayability because they challenge players to improve their skills or discover new solutions. Titles that include multiple difficulty levels, unlockable puzzles, or user-generated content can keep players engaged over extended periods. For instance, games that incorporate daily challenges or rotating puzzle sets motivate players to return regularly to beat their previous scores or unlock new content. Role-playing games that emphasize choice and branching storylines can also offer substantial replay value. When players can make different decisions that lead to alternate endings or character developments, each playthrough becomes a new adventure. Games with modular content or side quests add further depth, allowing casual players to explore different aspects of the game without feeling overwhelmed. Simulation games that focus on building, managing, or customizing environments are also popular among casual audiences. These titles often include sandbox modes, endless creative possibilities, and relaxed pacing. For example, city building or farming simulators provide ongoing goals and community-driven content, which can be enjoyed repeatedly without the pressure of strict objectives. Finally, multiplayer or cooperative games can extend replayability through social interaction. Casual players often enjoy games that allow them to team up with friends or join communities, creating unpredictable and lively experiences. Games with regular updates, seasonal events, or competitive modes keep the environment fresh and encourage ongoing participation. In summary, games that combine variety, accessibility, and social elements tend to offer the best replayability for casual players. Whether through procedural worlds, branching narratives, or creative freedom, these titles invite players to return time and again, discovering something new with each session.